It's a tricky one, right? Because I think there's always this aspect of going fast, but you can't go fast without first ensuring that you have the right security measures in place. And there's one person from our Office of the CTO, CISO practice, and he always says that brakes are the most important thing when you're looking at like Formula One drivers or anyone that's doing something that's like needing a lot of speed, because if you don't have your brakes in place, you can't go fast. You can't have the confidence to really accelerate and to go, 200 miles an hour, how fast you want to go. And so we kind of see security as the brakes when it comes to cloud foundations and infrastructure. And so essentially we have BeyondCorp Enterprise and Zero Trust embedded from the ground up. And that essentially means that we've worked with organizations and adopted organizations like Chronicle that provides planetary security at scale. So we're able to actually be able to analyze data, all of that from kind of a very granular level. And so everything that we provide from an infrastructure level is already embedded with security. And so that allows our customers to really innovate, to build from a very different lens because they have security from the grassroots, from the ground up. And so that's the first piece from an infrastructure level. When you're looking at more, regulation, things like DORA, Digital Operational Resiliency Act, we are compliant in terms of their standards and the requirements that they have. And so when you're hosting your data, your documents and things on Google Cloud, that means you have the confidence that our services and our products have that security in place. And so you're not having to have your teams go through and manage that yourself. It's already there, it's embedded. We also do partner with the industry as well. So as an example, there's things like the FCA's regulatory sandbox. And what we've done actually is worked with an organization, a fintech called One, that actually builds and provides the backbone for the FCA's regulatory sandbox. They might be still in that very experimental phase, but they have a safe landing zone and environment to do that in a way that is measured. So again, it's a very fine tightrope between security, innovation, regulation, and compliance. But the way that we see it is that it's very much from the ground up, from infrastructure level, all the way to looking at standards, compliance, how we're working with government bodies like the FCA to make sure that fintechs have the right environments and ecosystems to properly play with these kinds of tools.